like yes, back and forth, yes. Use your Mochi has been more than 2,000 years, so Mochi have a long history. And also during 8th to 12th century, it's spread among the wealthy. So at that time, only rich people could eat mochi. So, yes, kashiwa mochi. So this kashiwa mochi have anko, sweet red beans inside. Do you know anko? Do you like it? Or have you ever tried it?
What was it?
Sweet red beans.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay. You everyone like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because most kids don't like it. When I was kid also I didn't like it, but I like it now. Kohaku mochi. Kohaku mochi. This one is kohaku mochi. So kohaku means red and then white. Okay. This page is the most important page. We have a chant. When we found a mochi, yes, we say yoisho. 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 Yes. Yoisho doesn't have a meaning. But for example, when I say yoisho, when I have carry stuff, oh yoisho, like that. Okay. Over. So before stepping and standing, can I sanitize your hands? More than 40 minutes before you can. Okay. So I'm gonna open it. So if you want to take a video, picture, please feel free to take it. Okay. Open. Still cover the towel. I'm gonna open it. As you can see, this is very hard. Be careful. Okay. Here's mochi rice. So now I want you to taste it. Here you go. Be careful. It's hot. Here we go. Here. How is it? Chewy? Yeah. I'm gonna have your spoon. It's gonna be everywhere. So it looks like a bit boring, but this process is most important process. If we don't mash well, we cannot eat great mochi. Okay. Dip in the hot water. Okay. Back and forth, mashing potato like a mashing potato. Also good workout. Before we had a great mochi. Mashing potato like yes. Back and forth, yes. Use your body weight. It's harder than you expect, right? Yeah.
Looks like.
Okay, thanks so much.
We'll mess with the
yeah. Yes, I think you guys are finishing.
What happens is you gotta use your hips.
Yes,
so
yes,
that
it's good.
so nice.
Is it harder, right? Yeah. Just keep going. Okay. Thank you. ありがとうございます。We want to hold like this with the distance. Okay. If we hold here, it's difficult to control, right? So maybe like here, and then we found mochi above the head, go straight down. Then aim the mochi, not her. Okay? And also, especially found mochi, then we can try it together. Okay? So 3, 2, 1. Yoisho! 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 Thank you.
Yeah, as you can see, so smooth.
Yep.
So almost done.
Maybe he can finish.
Yeah. Maybe. Maybe.
Maybe we'll need your help.
Ready? See if I miss my first swing. Probably will.
I hope so.
Alrighty.
Good.
Yep. No longer rice.
Oh, so stretchy.
Very stretchy.
Good.
Yeah, very stretchy.
So she's gonna give you a piece of fresh mochi without flavors at first. So please put on these gloves. We have 3 sides, so medium, large, extra large. So which one would you like?
I guess I'll go. Oh wait, I'll try extra large.
So after this, we're gonna make the mochi ball. So she's gonna explain how to cut the mochi. So after that, you can put the mochi on your black plate. Black plate. Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna explain how to make a mochi.
Bunch ball.
Because we have 8 flavors. And if you have you wanna make more, you can make more as much as you want.
Okay.
And put the black plate, the mochi.
And then you feel.
That's my first one. That's bad.
All of mine are bad.
Ooh, look, he's a flop.
They might look pretty, but they'll taste good. Probably different.
Mochi.